It's a beautiful day. Today we're playing Minecraft. It's a really beautiful day. I have my pet spider. That's funny. I don't know how to get down. Can I use it? Oh yeah. Yeah. It's a beautiful picture. Yes, I still have my phone. It's not time the time now for going in the server. Today. How long is this going to take? I'm in survival. I know it's kind of weird. And I'm in peaceful mode. Now make this harder. So it's way fun for you guys. Settings. Easy. Today we're gonna be. Yeah, I know how to do it. I'll explain it to you. Today, I'm gonna beat surviving. Trying. I don't have sword. Getting this first. I don't even know what this is. I can't replace so many saplings. No longer I did that all by myself. I didn't use creative mode. It's my first time building stuff. That's nothing. That thing was 4 stacks of wood. It's my own very own boat. Yes, I am boat. I'll put it to seriously as my own boat. I put it upstairs. Now I'm gonna build rock underneath stuff. Comment what should I make next? But today we're gonna make my own house. I live in this house. Hear me out. Kinda weird, right? I'm not supposed to be living in my house. This is all the junk food I have. Why is it junk? It's kind of weird. I'm keeping myself up. Everything I have, I don't really need something. I don't need coal. I don't need scraps. Stuff that I don't really need, I'm gonna throw. Leaf, no, I don't need leaf. I need sugar, I don't want to eat other things than big things. I'm a big fan of potatoes. Potatoes. Tekan nih, potatoes. 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 This gotta be weird. But now I'm gonna try to build my own house. Oh, I still have this. I think clear. This Is it like easy mode? Why would I change it into clear? It's not becoming clear. Do I have to go? Yeah. Peaceful mode time. Create. Peaceful. I'm so in peaceful. We're not beating the game yet. Okay. We're still gonna create this. It's not gonna. Oh my god, stop. Okay. I don't have I do have coal. I don't have much coal. I'm one coal short. I don't have any more coal. And I can't fast for the short season. I'm one coal short. Bruh. I wanna die. I don't want to cry. I used to stuff that's not supposed to be like get a certain outfit. This is supposed to be this. Okay, now it's just going forever. Oh no. Is my cheat so on? Oh no. Create this time. If I can't do it in survival, then I can do it here. It's not even going down, it's making it faster. It's going in. Am I not the boss in here though? I'm the admin. Oh no. Okay, let's first this is by I'm a feeling bad guys, you better behave. So mad because of that. I'm mad. I think that's a bad idea. Okay. Let's get on to mining. Oh yeah, also this house is gonna be demolished by me. I don't really want to drop a lot of materials. Because I don't want crap lots of materials. I need this blood. Stuff that I need, I'm gonna grab it. This stuff. That. This that. Oh yeah, my chest. My chest. I'll just burn my chest. What? Sorry, chest. That below you is your worst enemy. Death. Fear the Reaper. I think I'm gonna explode this place. I am about to explode. I'm putting fire down here. So burn the chest. Well, not the chest, but my stuff. I think I have to set it off now. What's that? I burned some of my stuff. It actually tried to burn it. Holy cow. Still there. Go inside. Is it inside now? Are they inside? Bombastic side eye. Gosh! What do I have? I have nothing. Anyone can have. That's a bad idea, do that? Now I don't have an axe. I have an axe and chest. The one thing I need. There's nobody here. Yeah, no, I do. I'm stealing some beds. Why? That's what I needed. I'm sorry, I didn't steal stuff. Thank you. Sorry, I'm thirsty. By 4. Burn it! I need fire. Burn, burn. A burning house! I'll set it off. My water bucket. Oh, there it is. I'll set it off. I got you. Promise. I'm not doing it. I know this is a bad idea. There's a burning house. I need that cauldron. I got you this. Promise. Maybe not pinky promise. I promise. I think I can get it. It's stuck. I cannot set that off. You know that's just little right here. That's a lot, I promise. Yeah, I think that house is burning down. The inside is still burning. Oh no, I think I moved to book this thing. Who's gone? Coming! Firefighters are going! That's not good. Yeah. That's the wrong thing. That's the wrong button. Yeah! Yeah, that's there. One source block is there. I think I burned the whole village down, I think. Yeah, I think I burned the whole village. Where did I put it? On the roof. Firefighters are coming. No worries, man. There's no man here, right? Because if they are, maybe they are killing. The one place I needed to be goes. I think you guys just have to accept your death. Really, that's what it is. What? Oh, people. I'm just exploring the house. Taking your stuff to the end. I still hear fire. The final source of fire is up there. And I think it's gonna spread. Can you just stop? I think I'm not stopping. Let's go. Stop. No question. No question. No question. Nothing that way. What the? Family. Keep it family friendly. I can't jump. Just get out of my sight. You guys, the house is on fire, right? Really? This house is on fire. This house is on fire. This house is on fire. I think the final thing to say is goodbye. I'll set it off when it's gone. What do you mean by that? I'm sorry. And I won't waste my fire anymore. I'm a fire? Fighter. I'm a fire. I'm not supposed to do that, but I'm a water fighter now. Apparently I use fudge. This is my fudge cake. My fudge cake is here. The fudge cake is 1 piece of blue, more like fudge cake is here. That is my fudge cake. Madam, you have to accept it. Your house has been burned down by me. I think I did too much. Too much. Yeah, I did too much. I did too much to this poor house. Protect me if I fall down ever again. Momentum me! Yeah, boy. So where did I put it? I'm coming! I know how to clutch, I think. What the heck? I didn't really clutch. That's why I didn't. It's spreading. You just have to shut everything down. As the other house is now burning down. If I fall down, that thing's here. For safety. I know it's clutch, but I'm good at clutching, I think. Jump! Did I hit fire? It feels like I heard fire. Don't spread to the next house. I'm coming. No water this time. I should have water. No, I'm good enough to do it now. Yeah, but I'm good enough. Go. Yeah, boy. For clutch. I made it. This is fire. I'm a ceiling. We need more. We need more things. You have to accept your house is burning. I'm a bad firefighter. I know. I'm not. I don't get paid enough to do this. I don't get paid enough. That's one bad firefighter. You just have to accept it. No, okay. Go down. I can't. This is, something. I'm stuck. Hey, yo, you have to accept it. I can't grab it back. Oh, there, I got it. Just, you have to accept it. The inside. The inside causes this. The only area causes this is the outside. Break this block. I found the how to extinguish it by trying to break the block. Okay. Extinguish it, Joa, with your own bare hands. Stay there, everyone. Stay here. Stay. I'm a good firefighter. I'm a bad one. I fought under the walls of physics. selling your water. Coming! He's coming, everyone. Woo! Woo! I'm a bad jumper. I'm a bad jumper. Only not a good. Oh, fudge. Except it's broken. It's still here burning. Did any more houses burn? No. Please don't tell me the box. Yes. Now we're stuck in the rain. Is the rain infinite? I think yes. Let's see how much it is. I'll sleep now. BB, see you later. Except there's still a big hole over here, but disappear the B spot. Okay, I forgot I don't have a bed. It doesn't show. Can I grab it? No, not. Yeah, not yet. See you later, alligator. Now you can sleep if you want. I don't think we're making anything. We're not making a new house. Next episode. There. There. I feel like I'm holding clutch. Not safe enough. Please. Give it to me. There. If I cannot holding clutch, I'll just watch it bucket clutch. Is showing it? Let's see. I think I can war bucket clutch. Let me test out my ability. Okay, my war bucket clutch. I am bad at doing this, so it's time to try my best. But this is the wrong place. Not full enough. Shoot. Yeah, the cold iron process is still going fine. Shang! Did I do it? No, I didn't. Take away some damage. I heard it. I heard oofing. I'll try to land over there. Shoot! I missed it! My wall cut. I just wall cut. That means me in my eyes. It's still back. Okay. Yes, I can! I can grab it! Finally got it. I just got it. Grab it. Put that back in there. I found out, but I have to do it again. I forgot I was two buckets. First bucket I put in here. I'm making a swamp for you, Shrek. Now die, Shrek. You're gonna see how much it is in the next episode. Bye guys.